welcome back. I'm still on using how to use CodeCarbon. So this time the operation has been done. So he has created a kind of different two poem 1 and 2 about intelligence artificial, which is written right here. And I guess this is, I don't even know, generate a poem, write a poem about open source software. Well, I should make, you can change it to mayonnaise or whatever. And then he's creating a file, outputting the files and getting the emissions and stuff like that. And I think you have the log somewhere. I think he's bringing out some stuff. But anyway, you have the operation and the duration and the timestamp and stuff like that. So he's giving you some information about what has cost in terms of energy the creation of a poetry, which means that you can do for a summary, you can do for whatever you do with EA generative, which is like, for instance, a summary, extracting tags, or making tweets or whatever, you know. And I didn't find so much stuff about how to measure footprint. I think the last one I find it was Eco2AI, but it was pretty deceptive. I can't remember what it's doing exactly, Eco2AI. Yeah, this is the library, a Python library. And well, anyway, I try to use it. I think I can show you quickly what it's making. So let's open it like this. Yeah, he's using the same thing, the poetry, and I'm defined. So I've worked with DeepSeek. I won't do it because I've removed this DeepSeek stuff, and he's creating automatically. So I don't want him to create this model, but I have integrated everything, and still this is the poem. This is a poem about the open source and stuff like that. So basically, there's not much, but you can try on your side if you have the same installation as me, which means that you have Ollama install. Remember, this is Ollama. This is pretty cool because you can then having DeepSeek, Llama, Phi, and Mistral and stuff like that. You have thousands of model. And by the way, this is where I've tested also. I've tested DeepSeek. That was the possibility. But anyway, if you want to go through this article, you can go. My concern was different subject about intelligence artificial. First of all, thinking about the carbon cost and integrating into decisional metrics, not only cost, but also carbon cost and ecological point of view. And also, that was also the opportunity to think about generative engine optimization, because it's a major shift into the SEO. The fact that as a content provider, you need to be in the console or in the chatbot, and no more in the social networks and in the search engine. And DeepSeek also, at the same time, I was wondering if it was also possible also to fine-tune DeepSeek. Anyway, that's everything that I want to talk about. Thank you for watching. I invite you to listen to the podcast, which is pretty interesting and made basically and in a better English that I can do. And also you can find all the code right here on my GitHub account. And don't forget also to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my work. I know I'm pretty awkward sometimes on my video, but still I try to make as much as possible. See you then. Bye-bye.